Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are having a good weekend so far. So I'm here at the first video of February, we have 185 subscribers now. We've gained 3 in the past week, which is significant. This is like the best subscriber rate we've ever been going up at. So let's keep that going. Let's try to hit by the end of this week 187 at the least. And by the end of February, I'm gonna go ahead and set us a goal. Let's get 200. That'll be a good goal right there. But what new things do you guys want to see? Because we did hit our January goal of 182 subscribers. So what new things do you guys want to see? And please go ahead and subscribe so we can try to. We just only need 2 more subscribers. We'll hit the weekly goal, which will be good. But we have a potential severe weather outbreak this week, which is what we're going to be looking at. So let's go and get started. We have for day 4, this is for Tuesday, we have a 15% outlook. So this will probably be an enhanced risk for portions of Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Arkansas. All right, there we have a 15%. Main threats with that, there could probably be some supercells, maybe some tornadoes, and there will probably be some damaging wind, and maybe some hail when these storms sort of start out. We'll have to see. This is pretty far out. This is for Tuesday. Then for Wednesday here, we see it's a pretty big area across the South. So we're looking like back on, like in January, like January 11th and the 10th. That's what it sort of looks like. But we see we have that'll probably be an enhanced risk again, probably like right like that. We'll have to see. But we do have that area. And then we have for day 6, we have another risk along the coast. For probably another enhanced risk day. We'll have to see. Let me see. I'm in I'm in day 6 and I'm almost in day 5. Not there yet, but I'll probably have a margin. I might have a marginal or a slight risk. But see, the SPC does have all those outlooks out, and then tomorrow in tomorrow's video, I'll have a day 3 outlook for Tuesday. So that'll be helpful because then we'll have like the marginal risk and stuff. But let's keep going here. So we did have our weekend storm system, which is going to be strengthening pretty strongly, and it's going into Canada over there. And some of the Northeast could get some snowfall with a little bit of a clipper. But and this is the storm system. We see Tuesday afternoon. It's not really that strong. We see the low pressure is up in Ohio. It's sort of a big area of low pressure. See it all in that area. But do have a little bit of potential for some snow showers on the north edge, but nothing really. But then out here we could see the severe thunderstorm development. Not a big complex yet, sort of just scattered storms. But as we go through into Wednesday morning, we see it. And then we have another low pressure Wednesday, which could help strengthen this. Maybe give it even a better risk for some tornadoes, which there could be some snow in Texas and Arkansas right there we see. But this will form a complex with potential for some supercells, and we see that could be pretty strong, and then that moves up to the northeast, and then Thursday we could see some severe weather for the east, and a pretty big trough behind that too. And we'll see there will be some snowfall in the northeast, which we're going to look at in a second. Actually, look at that now, but first of all, we're gonna see. Let's see if there's how heavy the precipitation is going to be. If there's a flooding risk with this. This will take a minute here. All right, so. It's not going to be much of a flooding risk, but some portions of Georgia could get 3 inches maybe. South Carolina, North Carolina, Kentucky, Tennessee, Alabama, Mississippi, you could get 3 inches maybe. And even Florida, you could get some pretty good, pretty strong, or pretty heavy precip. So, some of that precip in Kentucky and Tennessee might be snow, so we're going to have to look at that. But I won't say we got total snowfall here because could see some pretty heavy snowfall with this. And back in Texas, 6 inches. For Dallas in that area, kind of portions of Kentucky and Tennessee, some snow. The Northeast, though, could get up to 15 inches in some portions of New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine, Connecticut. That's not Massachusetts. Connecticut's right there. I mixed this up. But and then we have Rhode Island could even get some snow. But even the coastal regions might not get skipped out in this event. New York City, you could get a few inches maybe. Boston, you'll get several inches, potentially maybe 5 or 6. So a lot of these areas will get some snow. And then the Northwest is going to be getting quite a lot of snow. But not really any snow in the Central Plains. Not really any blizzards right now. So and for the next week, probably maybe there could be a blizzard warning in the Northeast, but I doubt it because if you go back to the MSLP and precip here, we see it's just going to take a minute here, but see, the winds aren't going to be extremely strong with this. They're going to be gusty, but they're not going to be extremely strong with this. So I'm not going to be really looking at that. Probably just gusting up to maybe the top 30 miles per hour with that. So not probably no blizzard warnings. Now let's take a look at the sort of like the waves we're going to be looking at. So right now, as we have it set up. Let's skip ahead here. All right. So right now we have a little bit of pretty much have a trough in the east here behind that weekend or that Friday storm. I brought some showers and some severe weather to southern Florida, and we have a big ridge across the west, which is our next storm system is in front of that ridge, I guess. And so if we go ahead here till tomorrow afternoon, we start to see a trough. This is going to be this first sort of short wave of this storm right here. If we go back to the same time on the to Sunday 18Z here, this is Sunday 18Z. We do start to see the storm coming in, some snow showers. We see it's pretty strong, but no severe weather for Sunday. Probably none for Monday also. Maybe a marginal risk, but Monday we start to see the trough right here. The winds are like this. Not really any divergence, and it's not out in the strong winds are not out in the plains yet, and we would see maybe a chance for thunderstorms in this area and out into this area, but they're not going to be really organized. So let's go ahead and move ahead in a second. So if we go to Monday afternoon, here we see right there is probably where our best chance would be in New Mexico, but we're not going to really have anything there. Because there's not going to be enough lift for anything. But and then Tuesday morning, we start to see us moving out into the Texas area Tuesday morning. And if we go to Tuesday morning, we start to see some showers some showers to the east here out in this area, as we do have some pretty strong winds out here. But this is the piece right here, is what we are going to want to be seeing for the severe weather, and that's not out in this area, in the good area, or in the area we're going to be looking at for severe weather yet. This is only Tuesday morning. But then on Tuesday afternoon, it moves further to the east. We have a little shortwave in northern Texas right there. And then Tuesday afternoon, you start to see some development in Louisiana, pretty much in this area. So we do start to see the shortwave is moving a little bit, pretty much the trough is moving a little bit further to the east here. But it's not going to really be the best until Wednesday when we see it. Look at that. It's going, and then it's going to actually be starting to hit Texas and Louisiana, and then storms will probably be riding Wednesday morning out in this area. And then Wednesday afternoon, see it. It's getting pretty strong out in Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama. This area, we see even some reds right there, which means 80 knots of wind speeds right there. Okay, there we go. And let's move ahead another hour to Thursday morning. We see this is a pretty strong area here, even 100 in Missouri right there. And then we see it moving east, and we see by the time our severe weather sort of moves out the coast, is getting it's pretty strong. Look at that across Georgia, 135 knots. Those are some pretty strong winds right there, and we see that trough. So we're going to be looking at we will have enough upper level support for this. We'll have plenty, but it's not going to be in the exact area we want it to be in now. But that'll probably change, sort of like it did back in when we had the severe weather outbreak in mid-January, where the numbers at the beginning, like 5 days in front of the event, weren't that significant. But then the 2 days before the event, they were pretty high, it's going to go along with what we're looking at now, Cape values. So if we let's go out till Monday afternoon, we see nothing. Starting Tuesday morning and Tuesday afternoon, we start to see some in Texas, up to about 1,250 in Texas right there. We see Cape values that'll make some potential for severe weather all the way up to maybe Memphis. Tuesday afternoon, we see it like that. We have winds out of the southeast maybe in that area. Then Tuesday evening, we start to see it fizzle out, but then Wednesday afternoon, we start to see it. It's Cape again right there in the Florida Panhandle in southern Alabama, about 1,250, and all the way up towards Atlanta. There's a little bit of Cape, which could make some severe weather. Then Thursday, we really don't have any, so we'll have to see if those numbers get bigger. which they've increased a little bit from last night, but hardly any. So let's now we're looking at the we're gonna look at the Super Cell Composite real quick. We looked at this last night. Let's see if the numbers have increased at all. So that's Wednesday. Should be Tuesday here. Tuesday. All right. So we do see 2s, 3s. So not really any higher. Oh yeah, we do see some higher numbers for Wednesday. 5 and 6s in Southern Alabama. So that'll be interesting. And then for Thursday, I think Thursday, it's going to be sort of a line. It's not going to Thursday, there's not going to be any chance for supercells. But it's going to be, it's going to be fizzling out. I think Wednesday will probably be the worst day. So we'll have to see. And then tomorrow we'll have a better idea of what to look at for Tuesday. So to wrap up this video, please subscribe. Please leave a like, comment, please, and tell me what you guys would like to see. Because I'm thinking about doing. I don't know if a lot of weather YouTubers weather YouTubers really don't use Facecam, so I don't think you guys would actually want to see it now that I think about it. So please leave a comment and tell me what you guys would like to see. But I hope you guys have a good rest of your weekend. I'll be posting tomorrow. I may even have a few interesting videos tomorrow, just random videos like I did a while back. But yes, peace out.